So guys, when I got my new car, I was looking at the dashcam solutions, and obviously my first choice was talking to the car manufacturer themselves. Unfortunately, when they were designing it globally, they forgot to compensate. In certain markets like Asia, they have these roller blinds. And having the advanced car i2 with the huge camera at the back will certainly not allow the installation fit on my vehicle, because it will hit the roller blinds on the way down or up. And I was left with no choice but to look at the aftermarket solutions. And after much search in the market, I decided to go with the BlackVue 750S-2 which was recommended by one of my friends. I mean, really, it's a fantastic dash cam. It has all the features that you need. It has Wi-Fi, it has cloud functionalities. You name it, it has it, except for the ADAS functionalities. There's lots of reviews in the market for it. But what my review is going to cover is the install itself, because I didn't want to void my warranty. I'm very particular with the car manufacturers and their warranties. The installer will give you lots of feedback. For example, they will tell you that don't worry, the way we install, we're not going to tamper with any wiring. And what they will do is that they will recommend solutions such as this, which is the fuse tab. And if you were to hardwire them using this cable, apparently it doesn't void the warranty, because you're not tampering with any of the wiring system of the car itself. You and I both know that's just a case of he say and I say. The problem here is that when you have voidance of warranty, it gets picked up on the ridiculous of things like just having the fuse tap, and it's tapped on our fuse box, so we're not going to allow your warranty to be valid. To avoid all these complications, the only solutions I thought of was to look at the options that BlackVue themselves gives you. So one option is definitely going through with the hardwire, and the other option is going through the cigarette adapter. Obviously, this is the solution that they were talking about when they say hardwire. So you have that fuse and this fuse tab, okay, which practically hooks your current fuse that you pull out from your fuse box, and this wire connects to the dash cam, and it powers your dash cam through the hardwire method. And obviously the other option you have is by using the cigarette adapter that your car might have. So like in mine, it's just right there, it's a little black box. This is the one. But I also wanted a clean install, so I didn't want to have wires dangling at the front, and again, not to have it very intrusive. I opted to use a battery pack. How this battery pack helps is that when you go into your parking mode, which is one of the features that BlackVue has, it will continuously keep recording events triggered by motions or triggered by, let's say for example, someone knocking into your car. It will have an impact detection activated. So that is the functionalities that I wanted, and not lose out, because if you were to just plug into the cigarette adapter, after 2 minutes when your car goes to sleep, it will definitely power down the camera and you will not have the parking mode. So this is what I did. This is the power cable right here, the first one that you see, and it's routed all the way back through the linings. I mean, BlackVue will provide you the trims, but I got a professional guy to do the install for me. And it goes to the back. One of the camera cables will connect to the back camera. That's the 2 channels. And I will now take you to the boot, where I will just show you on my solution to power my dash cam without voiding the warranty at all. So there you could see the power cable being connected here to the cigarette adapter in the rear. And since it was a professional install, the guy was able to do it neatly. I mean, I would say it's a good job. And that wire is then ran through the inner trim. I hope you can see this. Yeah, inner trim here, and it comes out to the battery pack, powering the battery here. So what happens is that basically the car is giving power to the battery pack, not the camera. Whereas the camera is getting the power from the battery pack, which is here. So technically you are not tampering in any way with any of the car wiring, fuse box or mechanics. Thus ensuring you certainty of having your warranty intact. So all the best, enjoy the journey, enjoy the drives, be safe on the road, and this is Nexus signing off.